Right, the next complication for this little program is the fact that the potentiometer is actually not being used to measure resistance, but actually angle. Now, we need to rescale it therefore. Now, the zero angle of the potentiometer is in the far position here, the far left-hand position. Now, we can see that the value of resistance there is around 0.2 ohms. That's 0 degrees. And when we go to 180 degrees, we find the resistance is around about 300 and we'll say 302 ohms. That's 180 degrees. They're the readings we're going to use to scale this, to rescale this resistance measurement. So I need to come back to our programming window. Now in this instance I need to go over to Settings, select Span, I right click and left click on Properties. Now the range of physical parameters will be 0 to 180 because that's the number of degrees. Now the sensor signal 0 was 0.2 ohms and the full scale was 302 ohms. Now this is degrees. We apply that. Now we've now programmed up span 1. Now when we come back now to schedule A, I want to apply that now to this resistance measurement. I right click, channel options, data conversion, scaling, span, degrees. We're now converting the potentiometer measurement to degrees. Now in light of that, this name isn't appropriate, so I'm going to re-click. I'm going to click on here again and change this label from pot to angle. OK. Now if we select program, send to connection. Right, again warning us data is going to be deleted. Program now goes across to the logger. Data is being cleared out of the logger. So if we select now window and check text, we'll see that the data is returning as degrees. So we've got, there's our 180, oops, I've gone back past 180, now I come back to 0 degrees and I turned it around 90, it's around 90 degrees. So we've converted the resistance measurement to an angle measurement.